guys, I am Debbie Bird with League Real Estate, and today we are in Waterford Park in Weatherford, Texas. This is Weatherford's, Parker County's newest subdivision, and there's not even anybody that lives here yet. We are going to tour. This might be one of the first tours on YouTube, and you're going to see the whole neighborhood and see if this is the right fit for you. Let's go see. Weatherford, Texas is a cute little town, and this little drive right here, it feels like you're in the country coming up to this neighborhood, but this is us driving right into the brand new neighborhood. I am going to show you this neighborhood in about 5 minutes, and if you will stick around to the very end, I will show you my favorite lots that are still available in this neighborhood to build your dream home. Stick around. Let's go into the neighborhood and take a little peek around. You can see they're starting lots right now. There are two builders here. There's Land Sea Builders and there's Riverside Builders. We're gonna go tour our Riverside home in just a second after we drive around, but so far no one lives here. These specs for Riverside are gonna be done in about a month. And these homes are starting in the upper 300s. They're a little bit smaller, kind of 1,800 square feet to around 3,000, but they're super cute. With, of course, tons of incentives because that's what we're doing right now. Cute little office right up front. I love this open floor plan in the kitchen. Electric cooktop. But it's a big open dining room space. Nice sized laundry room. I love how this is open too. This is a really good space. It's not a ton of square feet, but it's a really great space. And at $400,000, I just think it's a great price. Plus they have incentives of like $20,000. They're buying down the rates. So your interest rate on a house like this, right now anyway, we're talking like fall 2025, is gonna be around 4.5% to 5% with the buy down. And that puts payments for a house like this around $3,500 a month with taxes and insurance and all that kind of stuff included. And that's with at least a 3% down payment. It would be lower than that if you had a higher down payment. But they have really nice, simple finishes in these Riverside homes. They're well-built homes. And you know, if you're comparing it to some of these, $10 million homes that I tour, it's like, well, this is a little basic. But you compare it to your apartment complex you're spending $2,500 a month on, and you're like, this is amazing. This is gorgeous property. You get to own it. You have your own garage. You don't have neighbors on the other side of the wall or above you. And it's a really great layout. I love this little place. Carpeted rooms with nice closets on these model homes. Just in case you're like, why is there no door on the closet? They usually leave the doors off of the closets on the model homes so you can see inside of them and not have to open the doors constantly. And then once they sell this house, then they'll put the doors on it. Also, the garages are the offices while they're model homes, and then they turn them into a garage. So just to the right is that office. You'll see that's the garage eventually. Okay, let's look at this map real quick. All right, we're about 30 minutes from Fort Worth. That red dot is the neighborhood that we're in right now, Waterford Park. It's about 10 minutes to downtown Weatherford. And just outside the neighborhood, there is this cute little malt shop from the 1950s. And Costco is about 5 minutes away. This is one of the available lots right now, and I just wanted to point it out because it kind of sits high in the neighborhood and you have these really awesome views of all of Weatherford, and I love this lot. We're gonna go next over to some lots that are available that will back up to the neighborhood walking trail in the woods, and I think those are gonna be really great lots too. The earlier you get in, the better lots you get to pick. Obviously, once there's fences, you're not gonna be able to have quite this view, but the nice thing about a higher lot is that other lots next to you can't look down into your yard. Okay, are you wanting a little nature, but not all the nature? I got you. It's a trail. Waterford Park has a $300 a year HOA, and it will cover the sidewalks and the streets and the landscaping at the front entrance, as well as this lovely little path on the back half. Okay, this neighborhood will have sidewalks around the whole neighborhood, every street, and it will lead to that little path right there in one of the cul-de-sacs. These are the lots right here that are going to back up to that trail Some of them have already sold, but there are several still left. If you would like more information on Waterford Park or a tour of available homes, you can reach out to me directly. All my contact information is below. Be sure to hit subscribe to hear more about Weatherford, Aledo, or Fort Worth, and I will see y'all next time. Bye-bye.